Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. Firstly, Happy New Year to you all. I hope you have a great year. So that was my cat just jumping on the back of my chair. She comes running in and she just dives on that chair, and sometimes I jolt right forward. She's only a tiny little cat as well. Anyway, I have eventually finished this massive chunky flip-flop style journal, which I am calling A Reflection of Time, and this will be listed, and I will put it will be listed for sale. I will link that below if you're interested. I'm doing this with free shipping. This was a labor of love. This took me 3-4 days, and sorry, I'm just moving the cat because she's been a wally. Go on, over there. Good girl. She's got her own chair, but no, she wants to sit on my keyboard. Anyway, yeah, free shipping with this, and you will also see all the relevant details on the listing, which I have got some notes somewhere. Right. It measures 8 by 4 1/4 when it's closed. It has roughly a 3.5 inch depth. It's not a spine as such because there's 3 signatures and it's a flip-flop journal, so it's slightly wider. Well, it just depends on how the closure is tied, but it is 3. Look, that's my hand, so it's 3 1/4 inches, 3 signatures. There's a total of 96 pages front and back, but there's lots of flip out pages and things within the journal. I have just got a simple closure of this. I found this when I was bringing stuff in from my shed, just some organza ribbon. I might actually put something else on it, but I saw that and I thought, oh, I'm going to use that. So that is, wow, I just can't believe it weighs just shy of 600 grams. 600 grams, and it will come in a box. If you purchase it, it will come. Go away, cat. She's tapping me on the head. I haven't got anything. I think she wants a treat. I've got some treats in a drawer for her, and she normally comes up and does that. I'm so sorry. I'm getting distracted by the cat. Yeah. There you go. Oh. Right, I better put them back because she'll eat them. Typical. Nobody's bothered me all night as soon as I want to do this video. Right. This is going to be a long one because it is a big chunky one. Right. Here I've just put like a I can't remember what you call them now. Just a book cover. I can't remember what they're called. Topper. Just a simple topper. It's got a little bit of trim here. It's got some trim here. The word journal. Butterfly. These images are from, I can't remember who they're from. I have used them before and mentioned who they are from. This is from MyPorchPrints. This is from Tsunami Rose. And we've got a little pocket there. This is made with envelopes. How many envelopes was that? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes. 5 envelopes because that's an envelope as well. Papers I have used. There's so many different people I've used in this. So this is a mixture of some of mine, and I've done some collaging on scrapbook paper that I don't like. So just to make tags. I don't know who that's from either. I think it might be MyPorchPrints. I know that is. This is from TaylorMadeJournals, some French ephemera, and that goes in the back there. This background paper is Ruby and Pearl, and that cat is like really getting on my nerves now. We've got a pocket here, tags, some ticking here. There is still loads of places to journal. As you can see, we've got here a pocket with a little piece of ephemera inside there, and that just pops in there. This, I don't know where that's from, but I've backed it onto some dictionary page, and this is from ARTYmaze, the words, and I've obviously, it says enjoy the journey. TaylorMadeJournals. Here I just made little like notebooks. There's a couple of them throughout the journal, just different papers that you can either just write on, keep it as that, or you can tear it out and do other things with. So this is just a little snippet or cluster. Here I just made this little tag. This was actually a Christmas tag with, I think it was a stag or something on it. It was from ARTYmaze, and I thought I'll just cover it up with some scraps and these little images, which I can't remember where they're from either. Then these flip out pages like so, and we've got some collaged tags in there, a bit of coffee dye in there as well. This is one of my kits that flips out. We've got this again, this is one of my kits. I don't know if I've actually got that listed. Little flip there, and that closes. Just better make sure that I'm in frame, because I'll cry, because this is going to be a long video. ARTYmaze paper here, that flips out, and then here we've just got some, this is one of mine, and I've just folded it up like so, and then put a little journal card in there. That's ARTYmaze, and then there's just bits of, these were the collage tags that I made, and then I just popped that in there, and we've got a paper clip holding that closed. We've got a fabric ruffle here on some square paper, and these are like the fully journal pages. Little flip there, another flip out here. This was just some lined paper and I stamped on there. It's been coffee dyed, and this is ARTYmaze. This is Ruby and Pearl. Got a tag in there. That's one of my tags from one of my kits. This is a freebie from my coffee shop. This is the Old Design Shop. ARTYmaze butterfly. ARTYmaze paper here. We've got a tuck here. Little cluster on there, a tag here. French ephemera from ARTYmaze. I think it's French ephemera. Is it French ephemera? No, it's just, I think it's from one of our ephemera packs. So there's that, and that just pops in there, like so. Don't know where that's from. This is from ARTYmaze. I think that is from MyPorchPrints. ARTYmaze here. Ruby and Pearl paper there. Little tuck there. This is from Tracie Fox. What's that called? Dusky pink kit, I think, something like that. You'll probably know it. That is a check, digital check from the Old Design Shop. Then we've got a flip out here, and then this is from some French ephemera from one of my kits, and that goes in there. This is ARTYmaze as well, and then that's the first signature. Another tag that I've made, that was all collage, and some collage there, and a butterfly. So then we flip that way, and we've got another tag, and you can write on all of this as well. And here, that cat, she's crazy. Here we've just got a little pocket. This is from some of my papers. Then this is from Ruby and Pearl, I believe, and that goes in there. And we have got that from ARTYmaze, and that is just a little collage tag that I made. Excuse me. TaylorMadeJournals. It's another one of these little notebook things with different papers. Is that two lots there? No, just the one. So there's that there. Little cluster here. You can tuck something there. You can write on here. Here we've got a pocket with another tag. This paper here in the background is one of mine. ARTYmaze. This is TaylorMadeJournals. That's another flip out like so. And with that, we've just got 2 tags there, my tags. You can check them out in my coffee shop. Now, I'm not sure with this paper, whether it's part of a kit or it was something that I done because I wanted it for something else. I can never put these back in properly when I'm on camera. There we go. So they're there. That flips out. I've just done a little bit of collaging there. We've got a tuck here with some ephemera from ARTYmaze, and that just pops in there. Just like so, and that closes. ARTYmaze paper here. And here we've just got a little bit of collaging going on. The image here is Ruby and Pearl, ARTYmaze butterfly. These are from some of my papers, and this is, I think, TaylorMadeJournals. That goes there, and I'm sure I just had a paper clip. Did I? Maybe not. I did. I know I did. And just on there, holding that closed. Fabric ruffle. Lined, square paper. Lots of places to journal. That flips out that way. That's another flip. We've got some ephemera in here. That's actually from ARTYmaze's new freebie kit that she's put up on her coffee shop for January 2024, and that is ARTYmaze as well. This image, actually the background is ARTYmaze's tag, and this is MyPorchPrints. This is Ruby and Pearl, made of pockets there, like so. We've got a tag in there. Again, that's ARTYmaze tag, and that's one of ARTYmaze's kits, or a freebie, I can't remember. That's a freebie from my coffee shop, the old design shop, and ARTYmaze. Then here we've got another cluster, and I've got them little hearts that I done from my Cricut, and then I sprayed them with coffee, and then this kind of goldy shimmer that I have, just water, gold metallic paint. It's got a bead in there as well, saves it all kind of clogging up down the bottom. And what else? Little tiny bit of alcohol, just a teensy weensy bit. This is Ruby and Pearl. These are from Dreams, etc. And then that just holds that in place. Then here we've got another, look how big that is. Oh, I don't think I've made one. I've only ever made a 2 signature flip-flop journals. And this is the third, like the 3 signatures, and I see people that make 5 and even more than that. I'm like, wow. Because this took me days to make. Oh, bit of paper, little bit of washi from chapter 1, another like digital check from the old design shop, little cluster here, another tag there, little flip out. This is ARTYmaze. That is, I think I've got 2 of these in this journal. I think it accidentally, well, it somehow printed twice, so I used them both. And that goes there. We have got another pocket with another tag here, little bit of washi there, and then into this signature here. That is Tracie Fox. These are Ruby and Pearl papers. This is Bohemian Crafting. Got a little tag there, and I sprayed, don't know where it is now, probably put it away. It was coffee dyed, and then I sprayed some of my blue spray on there with a stencil, and that's how it came out. And that is one of my freebies, TaylorMadeJournals. Here we've got a tag and another digital check. Another little cluster that I've made. Little pockets here with some stenciling and some ephemera here from the MyPorchPrints. Little collage tag that I made. image is a freebie. And this is from MyPorchPrints. This is ARTYmaze. It's another flip, like so. With the tags, these are just collaged pages from ARTYmaze, and pops in there. Typical, doesn't want to go in. It's like that naughty kid, isn't it? I can't remember where the image is from, but I've done some collaging on there. Then here, digital washi, journal card from, who did I say that was? Dreams, etc. This is ARTYmaze. I really don't know how I remember it all, but I do. Flip here, and some more fabric ruffle, pages to journal, little flip here. That's some ephemera from ARTYmaze. So is this. And Cat, can you stop it? Little cluster, little flip out here with another one of these from Dreams, etc. I think this is ARTYmaze. That pops in there, and then here we've got a tag. That's my tags. I've got a little kit with like floral tags, and I think you get like 30 tags in that kit, and that's a freebie. Little butterfly with a little cluster here, and just a little tag where it's actually, what did I spray that with? I can't remember, but it left like kind of white dots. I can't remember what I sprayed on it now. Don't know where that's from, can't remember. Little collaged, well, it's all the tags collaged in the back, and then I just popped images on them. That's ARTYmaze, that's a freebie. This is the Old Design Shop. Can't remember what kit that's called, but all the ladies are linked below. Another tag with some stenciling and some ephemera from ARTYmaze. Here we've got another journal card from Dreams, etc. And then this collage style tag here. The image is a freebie on my coffee shop, and that just goes in there, and I think that's us done. I think we're done. So yeah, that is it. Back to the beginning. Wow, absolutely love it. I think it's one of the biggest journals I've ever made, like this style. And yeah, so if you're interested in this, it will be in my coffee shop. I'm hoping that my new website will be up and running by the end of this month, but you never know, it might take longer. I've asked my husband to help me a little bit with that as well. So yeah, I kind of wish I'd done a different closure, but there was no way of me adding something like with eyelets or anything, because of it was more or less one of the last things that I thought about when I was making this. But like I say, I might actually change this, the colour of this. Not really overly keen on it now. I just like the idea of it when I saw it. And we'll just trim that little bit off there, like so. So all the information will be below in the description box. If you have any questions, ask below in the comment section. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and like I said, Happy New Year to you all. Bye for now.